na kwirana ase bunge ya Bomachoge me kaunti ya Kisii nigo Omomachoge asobwamo anyareko bagakuburirwa gochamo elikone kiango sokyale omurwaniririo yomo yurat kurwanirira ekerego kyobo governor we kaunti ya Kisii asobochorio bonene boli bosyo gukwana litukolia lero kurwa somo yega abwebiriro kurwa se bunge yo nigo babere bagoteba buna omugavana bwe kaunti ya Kisii omukoro omusike James Ongwae niga betega kura e kaunti ya Kisii buya na igo nerebuya banyareko bagosokia omurwaniriria oyura chigotoria e kaunti ya Kisii.
Itu mheshimiwa wangu wale kumsa. Ndio tunaye tena wana na tegete ngwa. I want to say one thing. Into na Machoge naende Machoge babulabu kama kubwatana una Machoge toto Machoge watache na Machoge. And therefore, as a clan ya Machoge, we must learn well. And we get let's be united. Let's be united. And you know, we got to take Guruga. Nzara. Tutala yana kurani Gurusiko. You have to take Guruga. You can't always know. You know, yes. Well, telling another one, the origin. I want to target the start, the commencement. You will go and know what's going to come to the Akabo. Baravia. So therefore, we can from that process, we can and therefore, we are looking for mandatory. And we are serious. We are serious. This is the only time to work to why you it is not easy. It's rare. Oh my God, thank you.